All right, guys, this is Liddell Moore bringing you another little quick video. We got a good hard rain today, and as you can see, we're getting quite a bit of water coming in from the right side of the pond. As you can see, it's quite a bit of trash and debris that's also coming in there. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this little short video.